Hey you guys, what's up? So today we are going to be doing a look using all of my Violet Voss palettes. We've got the Violet Sunset palette, Essentials palette, Sun-Kissed Summer palette, Disco Drip palette, and the Berries and Cream Dreams palette. So if you would like to see how I got this look on my eyes, then just stay tuned. Starting this look off, we're going in with the Violet Voss Sun-Kissed Summer palette. I'm going to take the yellow in this palette, which is called Sensation. Super pretty. And I am just going to place this on my brow bone right underneath my brow. Next, we're going to go in.
Next, we're going to go in.
Next, we're going to go in with the Violet Voss Essentials palette, and I am going to take the orange in this palette, which is called Terracotta. That is just going to go right below that yellow. Going back into the Sun-Kissed palette, I'm taking the shade Sandbar, which is like a yellowish cream color, and that is going to go right in here. Now taking the Violet Voss Berries and Cream Dreams Velvety Eyeshadow Palette, I am going to take the shade called Glamberry, which is a beautiful cranberry pinkish shade. It is so stunning, and that is going to go on my actual lid on the outer corner. Then just to kind of blend that orange a little bit better with the cranberry shade, I'm going to take Blushing Berry right here, just the slightest bit of it, and just kind of blend those two colors together. Now I'm going to go in with Violet Voss's Violet Sunset palette, and we're going to use the shade Lilac. Very pretty. And I am just going to place this shade right here underneath the front of my brow. Going back in with our Sun-Kissed Summer palette, I'm taking the shade Berry Hot. Beautiful shade. And that is going to go right next to that cranberry shade that we put down, and slightly on top of it as well. Going back in with our Berries and Cream Dreams palette, I am going to take the shade Berry Champagne. Super pretty. And that is going to go right next to that shade. And then to finish up that lid, we're going in with the Disco Drip palette and taking the shade Mirror Ball. This is a white, goldish, kind of slightly pink iridescent shade. It is very pretty. And that is going to go right into that inner corner. We're also going to go in with Stardust Sparkle. And that is going to fill up this area right in here that we left blank. All right, so now to line my eye, I'm going to be using the Lancome Waterproof eyeliner. This is in the shade Ruby Fever. This is a matte eyeliner, and I'm just going to apply this into my waterline area. And then we're going to go back in with the Disco Drip palette, and I'm going to be taking these two shades right here. This one is called Galaxy Glow, and then we have Girl Math. And I'm just going to butt those two shades right up against that eyeliner. Starting with the blue, and then we will apply the green. And then to finish off that lower lash line area, I'm going back in with that same shade Sparkle, Stardust Sparkle. And that is just gonna go right there. Then to finish off the eyeshadow portion of this look, we're going back in with the yellow that we started out with, called Sensation. And I am just going to blend this on down underneath that blue and green. To kind of tie everything in together. Just a little bit of black mascara to the eyelashes. Also on our lower lash line area, I'm taking the maroon mascara from Benefit. I forgot what this shade is called. And that's just going to go on our lower lashes to kind of match the eyeliner in our waterline area. Applying some false lashes. These are Libra lashes by Beat Gang Lashes. You can use code BRIA to save some money. And that's pretty much the finished eye look. I'm just going to apply some LYS lipstick. This is in the shade Sincere. You guys, I love this lipstick so much. The packaging just is so stunning and the product is amazing as well. Super pretty. I am going to add some contacts to this look just for shits and giggles. These are Pinky Paradise contacts. I will have them linked below because I'm not sure what the name of these contacts are off the top of my head. But yeah, you guys, this is the final look using all of my Violet Voss palettes. Let me know down in the comments below what you guys think or what you would like to see next. Please like the video if you like this, subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very soon. Bye, you guys.